Right now, so many operators managing mixed rental portfolios are literally bleeding critical profit margins. They're stuck relying on this completely disjointed software, right? Or worse, error-prone spreadsheets just to balance traditional long-term leases with rapid turnover Airbnbs. It's a mess. The landscape has fundamentally shifted for 2026. And in today's Explainer, we're breaking down exactly why doorloop has emerged as the premier strategic command center to solve this exact problem. Let's start with a massive number, 80%. According to the absolute latest data, that is the percentage of incoming maintenance issues that doorloop's proprietary AI assistant autonomously resolves. And I mean without a single drop of human intervention. It actually troubleshoots directly with the guest and automatically routes a work order to a local vendor if it needs to. For high turnover portfolios, this level of automation is an absolute game changer. Okay, let's dive into this. We need to look at what doorloop actually is, and frankly, it's really the back-of-house financial engine you've been waiting for. At its core, doorloop is an institutional-grade property management platform, and it's designed specifically to consolidate and scale mixed portfolios into one single dashboard. You see, specialized short-term software is great at guest messaging, right? But it completely falls apart when you need rigorous financial reporting. Doorloop swoops in and replaces all those multiple single-entry spreadsheets, giving you a serious professional foundation to handle literally everything from annual leases to vacation rentals. So let's lift the hood and break down the engine, looking at the key features and specs you're getting. Here is the exact technical stack you receive. First, double-entry trust accounting built to strict GAAP standards. Then, a built-in CRM and sophisticated owner portals. You've got the AI assistant and AI inspections we talked about, plus an open REST API with advanced Zapier integration. Oh, and full e-leasing and tenant screening for your long-term units. The whole shebang. This stack entirely eliminates the need to duct tape external software programs together. Now, what's really interesting here is the trust accounting standard. It's the ultimate differentiator. Most vacation rental apps operate on simplified single-entry ledgers, which, let's face it, is a massive compliance vulnerability if you're handling third-party investor money. Doorloop acts as a total QuickBooks replacement. We're talking customizable charts of accounts, automated bank syncing, and real-time profit and loss reports at the property level. It gives you absolute financial sovereignty over your mixed assets. All right, let's talk numbers. Doorloop uses a tiered pricing model based on objective data. On annual billing, the starter plan sits at $69 a month, Pro is $149, and Premium is $209. But the critical differentiator here is the ACH transaction fee. Listen to this. On Starter, you pay $249 per bank transfer, bump up to Pro, and it drops to 99 cents. But on Premium, ACH transfers are completely free. For operators doing a high volume of transactions, these fees literally dictate which tier makes actual sense for you. Now, keep the number 20 in mind. That's the crucial threshold. That base monthly price we just went over, that covers your first 20 units as a flat rate. The moment you cross 21 units, you add $1 per additional unit monthly on the starter plan and $1.50 per additional unit on the Pro and Premium plans. Doorloop's absolute sweet spot is right there between 20 and 50 units. If you're scaling past 150 units, pure per-unit competitors might actually start becoming more cost-effective. Let's shift gears and look at real-world Airbnb workflows, specifically this really clever two-tier hybrid architecture. Let's move to and see how this builds out for 2026. Step 1. Your guest books a stay through a specialized front-of-house app, something like Hospitable, Hostaway, or Guesty. Step 2. That booking immediately hits a Zapier API trigger, which launches an automated workflow. Step 3. That automation instantly updates the general ledger inside Doorloop and auto-dispatches your cleaning team. It's brilliant. You get to combine guest messaging power with hardcore financial rigor, totally eliminating double data entry. To really picture this in action, imagine a new task or work order triggered in Doorloop. It can instantly notify your on-site cleaning crews via mobile alerts so they can prepare a property for the very next guest. It literally orchestrates the physical turnover of your short-term rentals in real time. And hey, if an eviction status triggers on a midterm rental, the API can automatically block calendar availability on your Airbnb listings. It's incredibly smart. Of course, no system is perfect. So let's get into some honest pros and cons. We need an objective balance here. On the hugely positive side, Doorloop boasts a stellar 4.8 out of 5 stars average rating across major review platforms. People love it. This incredibly high score is consistently driven by their best-in-class accounting interface and a really strong human-led support team. Users constantly cite an intuitive dashboard that vastly outperforms those clunky legacy platforms that feel like they're stuck in the early 2000s. And this brilliantly illustrates the overall balance. On the pros side, you are securing unparalleled institutional-grade financial control, that awesome open API flexibility, and automated owner statements. But on the cons side, you do trade away some native features. There is no native channel manager, no direct Airbnb sync, and you are locked into rigid annual contracts. So what does this all mean for you? Let's get to our final verdict for 2026. Let me give you a very strict warning right up front. Doorloop is not recommended as a standalone system for pure-play, exclusive, short-term rental operators. If your entire portfolio is just Airbnbs, do not buy the software expecting native guest messaging and calendar syncing. The lack of a built-in channel manager creates completely unsustainable administrative friction if short-term rentals are your only focus. So the crucial point is this. Doorloop is the premier strategic command center for operators managing mixed portfolios who demand absolute institutional-grade financial control. If you're balancing traditional long-term leases with mid-term corporate stays and short-term Airbnbs, Doorloop delivers the hardcore trust accounting, the automated vendor dispatch, and the owner reporting you actually need to scale. So I want you to look closely at your tech stack right now. Is your current property management software seamlessly scaling your hybrid portfolio? Or is it bleeding your critical profit margins through hidden transaction fees and manual data entry? Because the operators who truly win in 2026 are going to treat their software not just as an expense, but as a massive strategic financial engine.